According to recent reports, regional rural banks collectively crossed 13 lakh crore rupees in business and recorded impressive profits in financial year 2025 to 26. Behind the strong profit numbers and business growth, a silent crisis is growing inside RRBs. A crisis of attrition. The sector looks stronger than ever. But many bankers say the reality inside RRBs is very different. Across multiple states, employees are resigning at alarming rates. And in some banks, even selected candidates are refusing to join. Employees from different RRBs have highlighted several reasons behind this growing dissatisfaction. One of the biggest issues repeatedly mentioned is slow career growth. Many young recruits feel promotions in RRBs are significantly slower compared to public sector banks. Some employees reportedly even resigned from officer posts in RRBs just to join clerical positions in larger commercial banks. That alone shows the level of frustration many employees are experiencing today. Another major issue is transfer policy uncertainty. Many employees posted outside their home states say they are unsure if they will ever get transferred closer to their families. Unlike larger commercial banks, employees feel there is very little clarity or transparency regarding future postings. For many young employees, this becomes emotionally and mentally exhausting, especially in remote rural areas with limited infrastructure. Employees have also pointed toward difficult working conditions, staff shortages, poor infrastructure, heavy pressure for third-party product sales, lack of basic facilities in some rural branches, and increasing work pressure after amalgamation. Several employees say fewer staff members are now handling larger workloads every day. Reports from different RRBs indicate that attrition among newly recruited employees is becoming particularly serious. In some banks, employees claim nearly 20 to 30% attrition has been witnessed recently. In other cases, large numbers of selected candidates never even joined after recruitment. This is becoming a major warning sign for the future of rural banking. Because the real concern is not just about employees leaving. It is about what happens to rural banking services when experienced staff disappear. RRBs are expected to handle agriculture loans, government schemes, rural financial inclusion, pension services, and banking access in underserved areas. If staffing problems continue growing, the long-term impact could eventually affect customer service and operational efficiency across rural India. Meanwhile, employee unions and associations have also been raising concerns regarding working conditions, transfer policies, staff shortages, and employee welfare in RRBs. RBI General Secretary Venkateshwara Reddy has also spoken about this growing issue.
Promotion policy. All the employees in regional rural banks, like in public sector banks, are coming through the same system of nationwide examination and see the same standards of qualifications and technology. They are joining the regional rural banks, and when they come here, their counterparts in public sector banks, they get a promotion every 3-4 years, and here the first promotion for a clerical cadre after 10 years. And the second promotion to scale 1 will be after 6 years. That way, by 20 years, so whereas the counterparts are getting in public sector banks are 4-5 promotions here, not even first promotion is being given to the RRB employees. There will be a lot of frustration and unrest is there, attrition is there. A lot of RRB employees are resigning and going to some other organizations and public sector banks also. Particularly, State Bank of India, every year, is recruiting more than 1,000 RRBs as CVOs in their banks. That is a drain on our trained resources and manpower. So this being the case, we are demanding to revising promotion policy in RRBs also on par with public sector banks to retain the talent, to encourage the RRB staff also. And the other side, not giving the promotions, and the sponsor banks are still continuing to dump the deputy officers in RRBs in large number, which is very much demotivating. And our employees and our officers, our senior officers, are quite capable and are efficiently managing, and these deputed officers sitting over the RRB officers are curtailing our promotion opportunities, and also is a demotivation even after 50 years of RRB's formation.
The question now is no longer just about profitability. The bigger question is, can regional rural banks retain the workforce needed to sustain rural banking in the future? Will policymakers address employee concerns before attrition becomes a larger crisis? Or will more young employees continue choosing to leave the system altogether? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.